This is my CS50's Introduction to Computer Science final project, based from the WebTrax Finance template. This is basically a piece of software for managing a company's sort of details. So if you're a company, a manufacturing company, you've got a set of customers and suppliers, and also sales and purchase orders. This is designed for managing that. Up on here, we can click and look at our company details. That can all be updated here. It's called My Company, and that has updated that. So if we go to the company's page to start with, we can see we've got East Side and West Side. Hit details, and this is the current information for East Side Engineering. This can all be edited here, and it will update it there and then. We can also add new contacts, like that, and that will add it to the list. Or we can also remove any existing ones. Just hit remove, and Anna's now gone. If we go back onto overview, this here shows that we've currently got 5 orders in progress and 6 purchase orders in progress as well. And 1 order is currently overdue. So we can either click view orders or go to our sales tab. And these are all our sales, if you like. Some of these are just quotations, as you can see there. We've got quotation, and some of these are orders which have now been delivered. This one is due in a couple of days, this actual order, so that's why it's turned orange. And we are currently late on this, which is why it's turned red. We can filter this by orders only for production purposes, so if you just wanted to see our current orders. We can also show our completed sales, so for archiving purposes, if you wanted to go back, that's all there. If we just jump to this one, for example, that's due out in a couple of days. So it's for West Side Manufacturing. We can update the address here. We could change the delivery address if we wanted to, and it doesn't actually update the information on the actual company, just for this order. You can see it's got a description here, and these are the items for this order. So we can go ahead and edit this, for example. So the delivery costs were a little bit cheaper, £60, click update, and that's changed that back there. We can also add new items. Just call this test, £50, we'll have 3 of them, add item, hit return, and it has added it to the bottom there. It's added the VAT on as well. We're in the UK, so it's 20%. And we can also click now view report. So if this is an order, if we just change this back to a quotation, you can print this off. It'll get rid of the navigation bar at the top. And you can see it sort of prints a quotation off, which we could send to the customer. There, we can jump back here. Obviously that can be edited. We could change that to delivered, for example. Order will print a order confirmation off. If we change it to delivered, it brings a delivery note through, which can be signed here. And again, that just prints out like that. So if we just jump back to our main sales now, as this has been delivered, I can't remember which one it has, but it has gone off the list. It's no longer orange. And finally, we can jump over to the purchasing page. This is very similar for managing purchase orders. So we can either send an inquiry out to a new customer, to a company, to get a price from them. So if we just call this test, required for Friday, and that is there. So inquiry number 16. We can add items to this. I don't know, paint pot, blue. We don't know the price yet, so if we just keep that there, say we want 5 of these, and jump back to our inquiry, we can send this as a request for quotation. As you can see, it doesn't bring the prices through on that one. And then as soon as they update the prices on this, say they come at £24.99, we can click update. We can also then edit that and send them the purchase order. So it's now changed it to a purchase order, view report, and as you can see, that can then be emailed to our supplier.